Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where we will be talking about the ACCA course. So it's going to be very short video, right? So ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. It's a UK-based body, and it has been around for over 100 years. ACCA has offices in more than 50 countries, and it has got 6 lakh plus students who are currently pursuing ACCA. There are 2 lakh plus active members. Of course, there could be a lot more members who are not right now active. Right now, there are more than 2 lakh active members part of the body. In terms of the course structure, there are 3 levels. There is a knowledge level, there is a skills level, and then there is a professional level. Within the knowledge level, there are 3 papers: business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting. These 3 papers, they are 100% objective style questions. The pass marks required is 50%. The papers roughly, there are 2-hour papers, and you are able to most of the time crack the exams quite comfortably because of the high passing percentages. The average at the knowledge level is about 70-75%, right? So that's your knowledge level. The exams can be done anytime. You can do the exams from home. You can do the exams at an approved computer-based exam center, right? Then moving on to the skills level. Skills level, there are 6 papers starting with law, which looks like very much a knowledge level paper. It is 2 hours again. And exactly like knowledge level, you can do the exams anytime. Then comes performance management, taxation, financial reporting, auditing, and financial management. These 5 papers are session-based exams. So the exams are done every quarter. So there is exam in March, June, September, and December. Here the combination of question styles is objective and long questions. And these are 3-hour papers, minimum 50 marks required to pass the paper. And the passing percentages at this level is again about 45 to 50%. Then moving on to the final level, which is the professional level, where the passing, where the papers are SBL, Strategic Business Leadership, Strategic Business Reporting, Advanced Audit and Assurance, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Financial Management, and Advanced Taxation. Now, here the good news is that the first 2 papers, which is SBL and SBR, they are compulsory, they are essential, while from the remaining 4, which is ATX, APM, AFM, and AAA, you are allowed to choose any 2. So depending on whichever paper, whichever kind of course you are comfortable with, you should be able to choose that. Here, it is completely long questions, case study based, and again the passing marks required is 50. Here the passing percentage is again hovering around 40-45%, right? So if you look at it in terms of the overall pass rates when it comes to ACCA is around 40 to 50% if you take the knowledge, skill, and professional level. The good news is that when you have to do these exams can be done at a center, whether it is computer-based exams on demand for knowledge level, or session-based exams for skill and professional level, or you can do it from home as well. So that's again a super big flexibility for people who are, let's say, not in the cities where the centers are. You can actually do these exams from home itself, right? So that's one of the big pluses. Talking about some of the other key points around is the fact that it is very flexible. You just need to do 1 paper at a time, and believe you me, that makes ACCA one of the most flexible courses, because if you just have to focus on 1 paper, I don't have to even ask you. I'm sure you will realize that if you put all your energies in 1 paper, the passing becomes so much more doable, right? So that's one thing. Of course, then there is global acceptability. If you go to UK, Europe, Middle East, Australia, New Zealand, right? In all of these, most of Southeast Asia, Africa, right? Most of these countries, you will have lots of acceptability, followed by lots of jobs in all of these countries, including in India. So when we talk about the jobs, there are plenty of opportunities. ACCA has its own job portal where you can actually go and see what are the jobs that are available, and these jobs are regularly updated. So not like, a job has been posted 3 months ago, 6 months ago. These jobs are regularly posted. So if you go to the platform, you can see jobs from big fours, from top banks, from top MNCs, with really, really great salaries. So someone who is, let's say, done with ACCA, absolutely fresher, should be able to get a salary anywhere between 4 to 6 lakhs. Someone with, let's say, a year, 2 years experience can expect a salary of 6-7 lakh rupees, right? And of course, depending how much you have experience, your salaries will continue to go up, right? So that's around the salaries. Now, in terms of the kind of opportunities that are available, you can start in audit, you can start in tax, you can go into reporting, you can go into financial planning and analysis. So basically, any job that a chartered accountant can do, you should be able to do that job. However, of course, there is one limitation that you should know, that as an ACCA, you cannot sign the financials. So that's one shortcoming. Otherwise, ACCA, you should be able to do almost everything like a regular chartered accountant can. In terms of the overall cost of the course, so if you take into consideration the registration, the subscription that you have to pay while you are doing the course, the exam fees, the cost comes to around 2.5 lakh rupees, right? Depending on what's the exchange rate, plus, because that's the next thing that I want to talk about, is that if you do take any kind of coaching, then that coaching cost will be on top of this, right? So anyone who starts from the knowledge level right up till to the professional level, if you're looking at a very decent coaching along with the overall cost of exams, etc., the course will come to around 4.5 lakh rupees. So that's it for today. If you need any more information, feel free to comment. And if you've liked the video, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to continue to know more about the course. Thank you so much.